Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to channel for the latest in two-wheel innovation. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Suzuki TS125, a modern twist on a legendary dual-sport machine. With updated styling, enhanced performance, and practical features, Suzuki aims to bring back the TS legacy with a bang. Let's explore what makes this lightweight dual-sport bike a standout in 2025. Design and build, retro meets modern. The 2025 TS125 pays homage to its classic roots while embracing modern aesthetics. It features a minimalist yet aggressive design with a sharp front fender, LED lighting, and a slim tail section. A high-mounted exhaust and upright stance scream adventure. Built on a lightweight frame, the bike maintains excellent agility for both city riding and off-road exploration. The seat height is accessible, making it a great choice for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Engine and performance, efficient and capable. At the heart of the TS125 is a fuel-injected, air-cooled 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Suzuki has tuned this engine for reliable low-end torque and smooth power delivery, perfect for mixed terrain riding. With a 5-speed transmission and a responsive throttle, the TS125 provides a confident and engaging experience whether you're on a trail or commuting through traffic. Expect a top speed of around 100 km per hour and excellent fuel efficiency. Suspension and handling, ready for any terrain. The bike comes equipped with long-travel telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock setup, giving it solid off-road credibility. It rides on dual-purpose tires with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, ensuring grip on a variety of surfaces. The lightweight chassis and wide handlebars offer excellent control, making it easy to maneuver through tight trails or urban streets. Features and pricing, practical and affordable. Suzuki has kept things simple yet effective. A digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, and LED indicators add modern convenience. With an estimated price point that stays under budget-friendly brackets, the 2025 TS125 is designed to appeal to entry-level riders and off-road enthusiasts alike. Conclusion: a solid comeback. The 2025 Suzuki TS125 brings back the spirit of adventure in a compact, practical package. It's a great choice for those seeking a fun, versatile, and affordable dual-sport bike. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates, reviews, and test rides.